Bangalore airport is an international airport, we know very well. Lot of traffic is heavy traffic there. Once I was traveling from Hyderabad to Bangalore, AirAsia flight could not land there because heavy traffic. But the flight was, fuel is not available. But they're diverting the flight to Chennai, they diverted on that day. Why I'm telling, sir, Bangalore is international airport, more congestion is there. There is a demand to have one more airport in Hosur. There is demand is going on. Whether the ministry will consider to see that international flights, there are so much flights coming in Bangalore, to satisfy, to control, give some kind of facilities. If you have one more airport, as we are having in Chennai, Delhi, we are having in Ayodhya, is one airport is there, is coming up. Same way, the conditions what they are putting, international is a 25 years regulation is there, therefore cannot another airport. That is that kind of airport given concession in Hyderabad because other they accepted, GMR accepted. But here Bangalore is international airport creating the problem. Whether he will come forward to see that can be cancelled, that kind of agreement, and have new airport, which already Tamil Nadu government also requesting and recommended to have a new airport.
Honorable Minister.
Sir, from the Government of India side, realizing the potential both to the economy, job creation and the local activity that an airport brings, we want to create as many airports as possible and wherever the demand is. But one special situation gets created when already there is an agreement with an existing airport that within 150 kilometers no other airport comes in. There becomes a challenge and it becomes very sensitive. And likewise, our honorable senior member has also mentioned that regarding the Hosur airport. And Tamil Nadu government has been actively pursuing to put up an airport there. We would have been assisting, sir, when we are trying to assist also. But one challenge is the 150-kilometer radius from the Bangalore airport, which is becoming tricky. And this is a matter which both the BIAL Bangalore airport people, Tamil Nadu government, Government of India, everyone has to sit together and discuss and come up with a conclusion. So we will be proactively. There the state government has also been, in terms of Hyderabad, the state government of Telangana has been actively involved in pursuing the Hyderabad airport people, and likewise we see a scenario where everyone can sit together and come out with a common consensus and a common conclusion. And from our side, our intention is to create as many airports as possible. So definitely from our side, we'll give a positive approach.